edge lighting not working in your Samsung Galaxy device, I'll show you how to fix and enable edge lighting notification. First of all, go to your settings. In settings, tap on notifications. Under notifications, tap on notification pop-up style. Here, notification pop-up style, you can select brief or detailed. I'm selecting here brief. Now, apps to show as brief, here make sure to enable all apps. Go back and tap on edge lighting style. Here under effect, if you see none selected, then you won't get any edge lighting effect. So you have to select any of the effect from this list. You can select bubble, HUD, fireworks, spotlight, echo. In my case, I'm selecting here fireworks. And now to change these effect color, go to color section. Here select color, and you can go ahead and select a different color for your edge notification, just like so. I'm selecting the blue color and go to advanced. Here you can change your edge lighting transparency and duration. And now tap on done. And now on, you'll see these edge lighting notification when you receive a new notification in your phone. Thanks for watching.